Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to set up the Do Not Disturb mode and also how to enable it. So if you want to enable it, simply you can pull down the notification panel and it's going to be on the second page, at least that's where it is for me. And you can see it's the DND with the moon icon, so you can tap on it and that will switch on the Do Not Disturb mode. Now if you wish to customize it, you can actually hold this toggle and it will take you to the settings. And from here you have a couple options right here. So you have the regular, all sounds will work normally, so that's basically disabled. You have silent, calls and notifications will be silent, and then the Do Not Disturb mode, silent sounds and turn off vibration except for the alarm. And then also below you have all incoming callers, and you can choose from who you can allow calls from. So you have from anyone, which defeats the purpose of this, from contacts only, and then shared contacts only, which are favorite basically, and then the none, which is set by default. So choose which one you want. And below that you have the allow like repeating calls, which will allow the same caller to reach you the second time around, assuming they will call you twice within a 15-minute period. And then probably the more important option right here is the schedule turn on, and this will allow you to set a schedule, so you can check that on, tap on it, and right here you can edit it. So you can change the name to whatever you want, then days of the week, so you have every day by default, but you can check it either weeknights, weekends, or custom, which will just allow you to choose whichever days you want, like so. And from there you can tap on OK once you chose the days, and then you just have the time from where it starts to when it ends. And here you have silent mode, so you can choose either silent or DND, which I'm gonna go with DND. And once you have set it all up, tap on the check mark, make sure that it's enabled, and now even though for instance it will be disabled right now, it will turn on automatically, assuming it's the day of the week that you have set and also the time that it's supposed to turn on. And it will basically be turning on and off automatically based on the schedule. So this is how you would enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.